Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Jeff Simmons. He is president and CEO at Elanco. Jeff, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Great to be here, Judy. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
My pleasure. So now, Jeff, you delivered 3 consecutive quarters of improved performance and project continued growth in 2024. So tell me, how is Elanco approaching 2024, and what are the key components to your growth strategy?
Yeah, a lot of excitement in the company. It's our 70th year as a company. Been the longest standing brand in front of farmers and pet owners for 7 decades. And I'd start, Judy, we're looking at probably the most exciting pipeline, 6 blockbusters. That's over 100 million in animal health over the next 2 years we're bringing to the market. This sequential improvement has led to a third quarter constant currency growth. We guided for growth in the fourth quarter. We're guiding for growth in 2024, driven a lot by some of our existing innovation, and then just better cash conversion overall. So, I think it gets back innovation, growth, and cash. That's going to create the momentum going into 2024.
So you have been talking about innovation and your pipeline. Tell me about the blockbusters you've been talking about for the first half of the year.
Yeah, so pets and farm animal, 4 on the pet side, 2 on the farm animal. First, I just came from Orlando, North America Vet Show. We launched last year our first monoclonal antibody for canine parvovirus. And that's 800 to 900 puppies a day, Judy, get this parvovirus. And it's a deadly virus that over 90%, if left untreated, do not survive. And so we've got an intervention with this antibody virus that works very well. And we signed a pledge with the veterinarians across this country to save 1 million puppies by the end of the decade. So that's the first one, our first monoclonal antibody, really a new market and the first time treatment for the deadliest virus in puppies. The other one's one of the fastest growing markets, derm. It's kind of why do people take pets to the market? The top reason is an itching dog. It's a $1.2 billion market, growing double digit, and vets don't have a lot of alternatives. We're bringing Zenrelia, a JAK1 inhibitor. It's a differentiated asset entering that market. We've got a path for an FDA approval first half of this year. Also, first path to an approval in the first half of this year is Credelio Quattro, going into the largest market, $6.5 billion market is the famous parasiticide market, flea, tick, heartworm, and Credelio Quattro has the broadest coverage. So derm, parasiticides, actually another derm product next year. Those are the 4 pet side. And then on the farm animal side, this whole area of livestock sustainability, being able to bring products to dairy and beef producers to reduce footprint and create added value.
Mm-hmm. Now, you're also pioneering a frontier market with the recently announced collaboration on creating the first ever livestock carbon inset marketplace. So tell me about that. What's your contribution to that?
Yeah, so we believe that, as you look at kind of the future, livestock sustainability is the next $1 to $2 billion animal health market. And what it really is we're bringing Bovaer, another product with a path to a first half 24 approval. This will be a feed additive for dairy farmers, and it'll actually reduce methane or footprint by 30%. And what that does is immediately these CPG dairy companies can reduce their Scope 3 emissions. They can appeal to the next generation of consumers that are wanting this environmental. They improve their reputational, emphasis on their brand, and all that value actually converts into an added income stream to dairy farmers in the U.S. So Bovaer will reduce the footprint 30%, probably the biggest reduction on one measure ever. And cows can be part of the environmental solution, and we believe that's the case. So animal health will converge with environmental health. So great time in Elanco. As we say in Elanco, making animals' lives better makes life better, and the next 2 years will be definitely the most historical transformational in our company history.
Well, definitely amazing things happening at Elanco, and I thank you for joining me. Great to have you on Floor Talk today.
Great to be here, Judy. Thank you for the opportunity.